Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your computer's keyboard is typing multiple letters at once. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings and then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung accessibility, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa accessibility, and next step ay scroll down, and then under dito sa interactions, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung keyboard. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa keyboard settings, so under dito sa sticky, filter, and toggle keys, so ang kailangan natin gawin ay kailangan natin itong i-turn off lahat. Okay, so enable natin. So dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung kanilang button, and then turn off natin. So turn off, turn off. Okay, so once na turn off na natin yan, and hope na na-resolve yung error. But if the problem still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, so click mo lang yan, and dito sa search for apps, so type lang natin dito yung control panel, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, so makikita mo dito sa right side yung category, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung arrow na yan, and then select lang dito yung large icon para makita lahat yung settings, so click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung keyboard. Okay, so click lang natin tong keyboard. And then pop up itong kanyang keyboard properties. Alright, so ang next step natin gagawin dito ay dito lang sa character repeat. So kailangan mo lang i-adjust itong kanyang repeat delay. And then yung repeat rate ay kailangan mo lang itong i-adjust din para maayos or ma-fix yung error. Alright, and then dito naman sa kanyang cursor blink rate, so kailangan mo lang ding i-adjust. So kailangan lang natin itong i-modify. And then kapag okay na, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then close lang natin at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang tong restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix keyboard typing multiple letters at once in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.